Hi, my name is Sean Good and I'm a real estate attorney with the Good Law Group. In this video, we're going to talk about how real estate attorneys can assist you following your inspections of residential and commercial property once you're under contract and negotiating either repairs or credits. So technically, most of the real estate board written contracts do not actually encourage people to ask for credits, but rather encourage buyers to ask for repairs for very specific items, which are typically classified as the major components of the home. That is the plumbing, the electrical, the HVAC, the roof, and a few other things. And this is where an attorney will come in and have a conversation with you following your inspection about what things are severe enough to rise to the level that you should ask for a repair or a credit in some cases. There are certain things, when we talk about electrical, like cosmetic things that we don't usually ask for. You're not supposed to ask for per the contract, but we try to focus on those big things. And right now it is 2024 and it is a seller's market, so buyers want to be careful with what you ask for. On the commercial side, the contracts are typically pretty ambiguous and open-ended as to what will be allowed to be asked for repair and replacement or credits, but the commercial and residential transactions typically mirror one another pretty closely and involve the exact same things. The reason I stand out as being qualified for this or set myself apart from other attorneys is I'm constantly buying and selling real estate myself. I flip houses and own rental properties, so I feel like I'm a good person to talk to about the issues that come up after inspections. So thanks for watching this video. If we can help you with your real estate transaction, give us a call at 847-577-4476. Thanks.